Most homeowners don't know how to verify a roofing contractor until after something goes wrong. Today I'll show you exactly how to tell if a roofer is legitimate before you ever sign a contract. Roofing is one of the largest purchases most homeowners ever make. And unfortunately, it's also an industry where shortcuts, poor communication, and bad actors still exist. The good news is this: you don't need to be an expert to protect yourself. You just need to know what to look for. First, licensing and insurance. A legitimate roofer should be properly licensed where required and carry both general liability and workers' compensation insurance. They should be willing to show proof. If someone hesitates here, that's a red flag. Second, a real local presence. Not just a website, a real office address, a real phone number, a company that will still be here next year, the year after, if you need them. Third, reviews. Not just one or two. Look for consistent feedback across Google, Facebook, and any other platform that you decide to look at. And pay attention to how the company responds to problems. That matters just as much as the rating itself. Fourth, manufacturer certifications. Shingle manufacturers only certify contractors who meet installation standards and ongoing training requirements. It's another layer of accountability. Fifth, everything should be in writing. Materials, installation methods, ventilation, cleanup, warranty. If it's not written down, then it doesn't exist. Sixth, third-party workmanship warranties. Some companies, including ours, participate in independent programs that back the contractor's workmanship. These are optional, but they exist to give homeowners an extra layer of protection and peace of mind if something ever happened to the contractor years down the road. And references. Quick note about these. Good companies protect their customers' privacy. That means references are usually shared later in the process after scope and pricing are clear and not handed out casually on the first phone call. That doesn't mean a company is hiding anything. It just means we're respecting their past clients while still being willing to provide validation when the project is moving forward. Another thing that homeowners also don't realize is that not every project is a good fit for every contractor. Expectations matter, communication style matters, timeliness matters. Sometimes the most professional decision a contractor can make is to say no early before contracts are signed and money changes hands. That protects homeowners from frustration, protects crews from being put in bad situations later. The focus on professionalism is also why we're members of RSRA, which is the Roofing and Solar Reform Alliance. It is a national organization focused on ethical business practices and consumer protection, and raising the standards across the industry. In close, a contractor is transparent, organized, and willing to explain the process early. That's usually a very good sign. And if you ever have a question about roofing, warranties, or how to protect yourself as a homeowner, feel free to reach out. We share this kind of information regularly to help owners make confident decisions.